How to redeem Hucks rewards. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Hucks Market, formerly known as Hucks Now and more recently as Hucks Food and Fuel, is a chain of convenience stores. Hucks has launched its new loyalty program called Hucks Bucks Big Rewards in June 2020. With Hucks Big Reward Loyalty, you can start earning your big rewards and receive exclusive offers tailored to you and earn points with nearly every purchase to redeem merchandise, fuel discounts, free food, and more. In order to redeem your point, you want to download the Huxbox Big Reward Loyalty app and sign into your account. Now, select Rewards on the home screen. Points are listed above the reward name. More reward will unlock as your points increase. Once you decide what you would like to purchase with your points, select Redeem and then Redeem Now and choose your coupon as you would normally. When choosing an item in the rewards section, your points will be deducted. If the coupon is not successfully used, your points will not be deducted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.